So we got Nastya be talking about I be snoring when I'm sleeping. So we decided to go get her some earplugs so she ain't got to worry about my snoring while she's sleeping. What you eating, peach?
Peach?
You know, I like my peaches out in Georgia. You know what I'm saying?
First of all, you're not snoring. You're snoring. And I didn't sleep for 2 nights at all. Because you were snoring.
Okay, first of all, you can't be just saying you were snoring. Okay, because I wasn't snoring like that. I was just breathing heavy.
You were snoring like a big dog. Like a bear.
I am
like
a big dog.
Animal.
I am the big dog.
You got sick, man. I don't know what's wrong with you. You had allergy or something, like his nose all sneezing, eyes.
It was your perfume. Your perfume. Your perfume did it.
I don't use any perfumes right now.
It was the hospital. It was the doctor visit. It was cold in there, and then we came back outside and it was hot.
You look sick. Don't feel yourself. Just feel me.
Okay, so show them the sound I be making.
First of all, you made me buy these things. I don't think it will work at home. Sleep pretty tonight.
You gonna sleep real pretty though. That's for them good ear sleeps.
Okay.
You gonna be sleep. Whole ears just gonna be sleep. Look, see you dropping stuff. Now you gotta pick it up. With the belly catch.
And I understand that it's not your fault that you're snoring, but even if your nose is like if you can breathe, it's not like you can breathe, because yesterday I made you do this. What is the name?
I don't know because it's in freaking Russian. That's what you gave me. And they don't even know what it's talking about. Multi-grip.
Yeah, but you was breathing, but you still was
packet.
snoring. That's why I said it's not like you. I can breathe right now, but you just need to do the snoring technique. That's how you snore, and you just start doing.
How you gonna do a snoring technique? Wait, what?
It's like you need.
It was that short. That little bit of snores. What you talking about?
I can't do it all the time, but you can.
Just do one long one. Okay, that's not even snoring. You can't even hear that.
You don't breathe with your nose here. It's like it started somewhere here.
How you gonna breathe up there?
Like this.
Okay, that be you snoring. She be the one snoring, waking us both up. That's what the problem is. You wake us up.
Anyway, I think you should just realize that you're snoring a lot.
Okay, so what it say you gotta do? You gotta take one of them, and you gotta roll it up in your finger like this until it get real thin. Then you squish it up in there and let it grow, expand inside your ears.
I still can hear everything.
Of course you can still hear.
Ouch!
Give it a second. You gotta let it expand inside your nugget.
You should roll it. You should just put it in.
That's what she said. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Don't roll it, just put it in. Uh-oh. Oh, that thing in there.
It has space between my ear. Wait, this one I will not roll. I will just try to put it in. This one is better than this one.
Really?
I can still hear you. Okay, now try to snore. You don't do any sound.
What?
You don't do any
I'm
sound.
snoring right now. Literally
No,
snoring.
I can still hear this.
What about this one?
I can hear.
What about this one?
You don't do any sound.
Yes, I am.
No! I can hear it. I even still can hear the fan.
Lay down on the pillow. That's where they really work. When you lay on the pillow, it changed the whole game. Lay down on the pillow. No, put your head down. Yeah, go to sleep a little bit. This one ain't even in your ear.
It is.
It's not. I can see it hanging out your whole head. It ain't even in your ear at all. It's like the tip of it is in. And you know, don't nobody want just the tip. You know what I'm saying? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, look. That thing was okay. Let me do it. They say you're supposed to roll it. I feel like get it up in there.
Ouch.
Ain't no ouch.
Oh,
and then hold
so
it.
Deep.
That's what she said. Hold it. Let it grow inside of you. Let it grow inside of you. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Real good?
Yeah.
Ain't no way you can hear real good.
I can feel you. I mean, hear you.
That's what it is. You could feel me. You like an X-Man or something.
And first of all, the first option was better without rolling.
Let me see.
Look at this.
Let me see. Let me see. Yo, you tripping. All right, here we go. Roll them up. Stick them in.
Rolling. Oh.
Ah. Woo. Oh. Lordy. See. It felt. First of all, say something.
It feels good.
I can barely hear you.
Of course, because I told you you hear bad. That's why you watch all this TV so loud. You have like grandfather hearing.
Is somebody knocking on the door? If you start breathing, you can't hear when somebody talking. I can't hear nothing. Oh shit.
So I should start breathing. Maybe I should start snoring too. That's how I will not.
So you don't want these ones?
This one's no. You can have it. I have the whole pack. Can you spray this nose spray in your nose?
The new one? Shortens cold. I don't have no cold though. Because I'm not like sick. My nose is just stuff. Runny nose, watered eyes. Never mind, I got both of them. But I don't have a scratchy throat. Sneezing. Okay, I sneezed a couple times. Nasal congestion. Okay, I got all the shit on here, but I don't got a cold. Okay, I'm gonna tell you that right there.
It's terrifying to take anything, any medication, any pills, any nose drops, anything.
I ain't trying to just be squirting
I was
myself.
translating him yesterday for an hour. Instruction from the Russian pills.
Ouch.
And you took only one pill, which was for the kids. It was terrifying.
And it didn't work. You ready?
Yeah.
Wait, why is it not like spray? It's like squirters. This shit said 2 squirts.
That's what he said.
First of all, this shit shot up to the ceiling.
I know.
My nose ain't that long. It's gonna hit my brain.
That's what he said.
Who are you?
Come on, spray it. Put it inside.
Why you gotta talk all nasty?
Put it deep. Okay, let me spray. You do it at Ron.
No.
Yes.
No, I think this the extra strength. This the extra strength. This the extra strength.
Ricky, let me do it to you.
It's the extra strength.
Let me do it.
Oh. I can feel it in my eye.
Come here.
No. Stop.
Give it to me.
Ah! No. It really burns. My nose is clearing up.
No, it's not. It says 2 times in each nose. Give me this spray.
I didn't even do it one time. It was like half a squirt.
It's a medicine.
I'm not about to let you just squirt some stuff up my nose.
It's supposed to be not good.
Oh, I almost sneezed on you.
Give me.
No, I am not going to let you squirt something in my nose. Are you kidding me? My eye is like watering.
It's okay. You get used to it. Give me.
No.
I will do one nose.
Do your nose.
Okay.
No.
Oh, God.
I already did one. Look.
Can you give me
It's coming out.
I'm a doctor. Please,
Who
sir.
do you think you
I'm a
are?
doctor. I'm your doctor.
You're not my
Let
doctor.
me treat you. Give me this.
You tripping. Treat that. I'll do one more squirt on one side. Please move.
Why I can't do one nose?
I'm not letting you squirt some stuff up my nose. That's not happening.
Why?
I'm trying to live.
Great job. Spray it again. You should do it twice in each nose, Ricky. Oh, God.
I'll do it one more in this nose and that's it.
No, you
This
should
one's
do...
fine.
Come
I
on.
can make a damn beat with this nose.
Do
It's
what
so
they
smooth.
say to do.
This shit is squirting though.
Oh, you acting like a little kid. head up. Up.
It burns, dude. My mouth watering and shit.
Oh my god,
Ah!
nose spray.
Okay. Okay.
And one more time and each nose.
Oh,
Vicky.
wait. My eyes is watering and stuff.
How you can be so weak?
First of all, do I look like the type of person that has to be putting shit in my body and just squirting it in?
No, that's how you look sick. You should do your head up. Yeah. Let it go in. Let it go in.
Oh. I like your stuff better. It said wipe away the excess. Wait a minute.
It doesn't.
It does on the box. I can't see. My right eye closed on me. I don't know where I'm at.
Two more times, Tricky.
There's nothing wrong with this one. I don't know. This just doesn't seem like it's supposed to come out like that. Like that's squirting. Ain't nothing supposed to be squirting out like that. It's supposed to come out like yours, like a mist. Avoid inhaling deeply. Motherfucker, I can't breathe. How the hell am I inhale deep? I'll do one on this side.
Okay.
Half of one.
You never be healthy again because you don't know how to treat yourself. Your nose leaking.
It said wipe away the excess. No, this nose won't breathe. God damn it. I can't breathe up this one now.
Oh my god. We couldn't even film the video today because of one mosquito which hit on your arm and you was freaked out.
Look at this mosquito bite. Look at this. It's another one over here somewhere. There's another one somewhere on my elbow. There's some over here. I was assaulted today. Sexually assaulted by mosquitoes. It was sucking all over me. Where were you at when the mosquitoes were sucking on me, huh?
I was screaming, don't go closer to the water.
Yeah. But I said, where were you? Because you weren't stopping the mosquitoes from sucking me dry. You should have been there protecting me.
Don't come close to the water and you will keep going.
I got about
You're snoring.
$10 in my pocket. What do $10 get me, sweetheart? Ooh. What do $10 get me? That's it for right now. I just wanted to show y'all our night routine on how we go to bed. Because we about to go in the shower. I can't show you all that. You know what I'm saying?
I can't even kiss you. Sick.
It'll be good tomorrow. All this damn squirting.
See what you're saying every night for a week now. Oh, tomorrow I will be good. I will be good tomorrow for sure. I feel it right now.
So I'm going to holler at y'all later. Peace.
Hey.
Yee.